Welcome guys. In this video I'm going to teach you something called fact family. What a fact family is like this. They're going to give you so basically this is seen in algebra. So they're going to give you a bigger number, they're going to give you two smaller numbers, and you have to these two lower numbers you have to relate it to the bigger number, biggest number. So and then they give you operations, multiplication and division. So can you write me 4 facts about 9, 4, and 32 using these two operators, division and multiplication? Yes, we can. So the first fact is going to be, let's make this an 8. Okay, to make it easy. So because that then we can relate it. 9 is not going to work. So let's make it a. So it's going to be 4 times a equals 32. And then what another fact can we find with 8 and 4? It's going to be a times 4 equals 32. And then another fact, it will be 32 divided by 4 is 8. And then 32 divided by a is equal to 4. So those are 4 facts about this triangle with operations, division, multiplication, a, 4, and 32. So now we can come up with algebra questions. For example, let's say p times 4 equals 32. They're gonna give you something like this in algebra. P times 4 equals 32, and then you need to find p. It give you a blank. So what number multiplied times 4 gives you 32? Let's look at our facts. I have a 4 and an 8 gives us 32. Same thing here. So p has to be, but if you look at this one and this one, which one is closer? This one. So the answer to p is gonna be 8, because 8 times 4, 32. Let's look at a similar fact. We're gonna have 32 divided by p equals 8. So p is equal to what? Remember, 32 divided by p gives us 8. So what number makes 32 divided by that number equal to 8? Let's look at our facts. 32 divided by 8 equals 4. That looks similar. But remember, this is an 8. So let's look at this one. 32 divided by 4 equals 8. So p has to be 4. Because look, 32 divided by 4 equals 8. So this is called, together with this triangle and these 4 statements, these are called a fact family. Thank you very much. That's all I wanted you to teach you in this video.